Hello friends, welcome back to my new geography MCQ session. See the first question. The word monsoon comes from an Arabic word. Option A, monsoon. Option B, mosim. Here the correct answer is option B, mosim. Next question. Mosim means option A, monsoon. Option B, season. Here the correct answer is option B, season. Mosim means season. Next question. Dash in Meghalaya gets the heaviest rain in India. Option A, Guwahati. Option B, Mawsynram. Here the correct answer is option B, Mawsynram. In the place which receives the heaviest rainfall in India is Mawsynram, and it is located in Meghalaya. Next question. The rainy season starts in India. Option A, May. Option B, June. Option C, July. Here the correct answer is option B, June. India has a tropical monsoon type of a climate, which means wind blows in a different direction in a different season. And the seasons of India has divided into 4 types. The first one, the summer season. Next, the rainy season. Third one, the period of retreating monsoon season. And fourth one is the winter season. Here the summer season, it begins in March and ends in May. And the next rainy season, it starts in June and ends in September. And rainy season is also known as the southwest monsoon season because wind blows in a southwest direction. Retreating monsoon season, it starts in October and ends in November. And retreating monsoon season is called as the northeast monsoon season because here wind blows in a northeast direction. Next, winter season is begin in December and ends in February. Okay, winter season begins in December, continues till February. And in winter season we get a very low rainfall. That's why winter season is known as the least rainfall season. Now move to the next question. Mawsynram is in option A, Meghalaya. Option B, Deccan Plateau. Here the correct answer is option A, Meghalaya. Mawsynram, it is located in Meghalaya. Next question. Royally in Rajasthan gets only dash centimeters of rainfall in a year. Option A, 0.4 centimeter. Option B, 8.3 centimeters. Here the correct answer is option B, 8.3 centimeter. So the place which receive lowest rainfall in India is Royally in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Next question. Indian agriculture region is said to be grumble with option A, summer. Option B, rainy. Indian agriculture said to be grumble. Grumble means Indian agriculture is risky because it is highly depend on rain. Next question. Indian monsoon season means option A, summer. Option B, rainy. Here the correct answer is option D, rainy. Monsoon season means rainy. And next question. Animal life means option A, flora. Option B, fauna. Here the flora means naturally growing plants and trees. And here fauna means animal life. Fauna refers to animal life. So the correct answer is option B. Next question. Very low rainfall region gets a dash centimeter of rain per year. Option A, less than 30 centimeter. Option B, 60 centimeter. Here the correct answer is option A, less than 30 centimeters. See, very low rainfall region gets less than 30 centimeter. Low rainfall region gets 30 to 60 centimeter of rainfall. And moderate rainfall region gets 60 to 100 centimeter of rainfall. And heavy rainfall region gets 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfalls. Now next question. This river was called Sorrow of Bengal. Option A, Yamuna. Option B, Damodar. Here the correct answer is option B, Damodar. Next question. Damodar River Valley Project was a joint venture project of former Bihar and option A, West Bengal. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Here the correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Next question. It is the highest multi-purpose river valley project of India. Option A, Bhakra Nangal project. Option B, Hirakund project. Option A is the correct here. The correct answer is option A, Bhakra Nangal project. Next question. Sorrow of Bihar. Option A, river Satluj. Option B, river Kosi. Here the correct answer is option B, river Kosi. Next, sorrow of Orissa. Option A, Mahanadi. Option B, Satluj. Here the correct answer is option A, Mahanadi. The sorrow of Orissa is known as a Mahanadi. Next, move to the next questions. Tungabhadra project is a joint venture of Andhra Pradesh and option A, Karnataka. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Here the correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Tungabhadra project is a joint venture of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Next question. Nagarjuna Sagar project is constructed across the river. Option A, Tapti. Option B, Krishna. Here the correct answer is option B, Krishna. Next question. It has the largest network of irrigation canals. Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Uttar Pradesh. Here the correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. This irrigation mostly practiced in North India. Option A, canals. Option B, tanks. The correct answer is option A, canals. Now here I have one trick for you to remember the sorrow rivers of India and joint venture projects. So see here the sorrow of rivers of India. Dear king makes a bread. Here D is deer refer for the Damodar, and kings means Kosi, and makes means Mahanadi, and bread means Brahmaputra. And Damodar river is the sorrow of West Bengal. Kosi river is the sorrow of Bihar. Next, Mahanadi is the sorrow of Orissa. Bread, Brahmaputra is the sorrow of Assam. Now here I have one rhyme for you to remember the joint venture projects of India in Hindi. Okay, sing with me. कर्नाटक, आंध्र, तुंगभद्रा का साथ, उड़ीसा, छत्तीसगढ़, हीराकुंड के पास, वेस्ट बंगाल, बिहार, झारखंड, दामोदर की बात, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, चंबल का राज, वेस्ट बंगाल, झारखंड, मायूसी की याद, उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, रेहन का काम, पंजाब, हरियाणा, राजस्थान, हिमाचल प्रदेश, बकरा नांगल के नाम. So these are joint venture projects. So Tungabhadra joint venture project between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. And here the Hirakund joint venture project between Orissa and Chhattisgarh. Now next Damodar project is between West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand. Next up Chambal project is between Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Next up Mayurshi is a project between West Bengal and Jharkhand. Now next that is Rihand project between Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. The last Bakra Nangal project of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Himachal Pradesh.